Hey loves, today's video is a mini collective makeup and skincare haul. The first item in my haul is this Blossom Strawberry Scented Cuticle Oil that I picked up from Walmart for $7. They have two sizes. This is the bigger of those two. It is a nice lightweight oil, and I love the look of the packaging, the gold top with the pink and white flowers. It is so cute when on display on my nail desk. Next are these two lip products from Magic Collection. I purchased these from my local beauty supply store. First, I have their all-natural raspberry sugar lip scrub, and this is $2. I have never tried it before, so I'm really excited. The watermelon lip gloss is a repurchase. I love it. It smells so good and it's not sticky. Also, the watermelon lip gloss was $1. Also from the beauty supply store, I have two Ruby Kisses Eye Bling glitter eyeliners. The first one is in Pink Storm. It's a really pretty dark rose gold glitter. And the second one is Baby Doll and is a light pink pastel glitter. These were $3 each. At Dollar Tree, I purchased the Bolero Whipped Body Butter in the fresh watermelon and aloe scent. I have been seeing this product all over Instagram, so I was really excited to pick one up for myself. Also at Dollar Tree, I picked up this Crystal Waters Kiwi Wonderland hand cream. There are so many different ones by the register, but of course the cute little unicorn is my favorite. And I don't know if I stated it in the last clip, all of the products from Dollar Tree are $1.25. I got 3 chapsticks from Dollar General. They are $1.50 each. I have Cherry Vanilla, Classic Cherry, and I'm most excited about the Strawberry Delight. Back to the beauty supply store. I purchased the Nicka K Define and Lengthen Mascara for $2. I also repurchased the Nicka K Black Eye Pencil for $1. This is my favorite black liner. I also needed a new brow pencil, so I picked up the Ruby Kisses Go Brow Eyebrow Pencil in the shade Dark Brown for $2. I really like that this pencil comes with a sharpener and it also has a spoolie. I have 2 more beauty supply store products. The first one is the Nicka K Lip Shine Lip Gloss in Spiced Chai. This is so cute. I swear by this formula. I have been using these glosses for years and they have never changed. The pigmentation is amazing and they are not sticky. This gloss is $1.50. And lastly, I got a pack of the Goldfinger Clear Nail Art Rhinestones. It's a close-up, super cute and shiny. This pack is $5. Now, I did haul all of the Goldfinger AB stones. That video will be either in the description or in the pinned comment, but these stones are so good and you get so many for $5. The remainder of the items in this haul are from Dollar Tree and Walmart. I'm going to show you the rest of my Dollar Tree items first. I purchased the xtracare Watermelon Daily Cleanser. I haven't heard anything about this product. Honestly, I bought it because it's pink and it smells good. I'm just hoping it won't break me out. Next, I have the Taste Beauty Taste Squad Candy Crunch Bar Lip Gloss. I love novelty lip glosses and I just couldn't pass it up. It is so cute. I finally found the Revlon Kiss Cloud Blotted Lip Colors. The Dollar Tree I went to had so many colors. I picked up the shade Airy Scarlet. Lastly, from Dollar Tree, I picked up this pink Sassy Chic Makeup Vanishing Towel. It claims that you don't need soap, just warm water to remove your makeup. I got the Johnson's Baby Lotion. It was $2.16. I love this packaging and it is the perfect size to just throw in my purse. It is available with the travel minis in Walmart. I am really looking forward to having more fun, relaxing spa days here at home. So that includes researching and buying new products. I purchased 2 Freeman cream masks, $2 each. The first one I picked up is their hyaluronic acid hydrating gel cream mask, which says hyaluronic acid plumps. And I also purchased their hydrating cream mask, which says watermelon quenches while antioxidants renew. Sounds really good to me. I'm excited to try them both. Thank you so much for watching. What are some of your favorite affordable skincare products? Let me know in a comment below, and until next time, bye loves!